M5803. Please introduce yourself.
Hi to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Desiree Keviab, 34 years old, single mom. I have 3 kids, 1 son, 14 years old, 2 daughters, 10 years old, and 15 years old.
Your religion
I'm a Roman Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
I'm caregiver graduate in TESDA.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience.
I have experience in the Philippines. Took care of 3 years old girl. I'll do cook, preparing her things, iron, washing her clothes, cleaning the house.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, I will because I take care of my 3 kids since they baby until now they baby.
Okay, so it is okay. So do you have any idea how to prepare a meal for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you are the one who took care of your children, right?
Yes.
Okay, what will you do if the newborn is crying?
First, I will check if there's a fever or the tummy is awy, if they collide, or if the baby is hungry.
Okay, if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, also the tummy, and also change the diaper, everything that you have done, the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call my employer what I should do. I will ask it what I should do the baby because the baby is not stop to cry.
So you will call the employer's attention. Okay, um, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work at Hong Kong for a purpose to to, to save my family and for my children
Okay,
for
for
their
your
study.
for the studies of your children. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my employers want me to stay, I will stay.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have any idea, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn?
There's a many way to learn how to cook Chinese food. I'm watching to YouTube, or I will watch my employer how to cook, how to prepare all the foods in when my employer is cooking.
So you will help them how do they prepare so that you
Yes.
can learn. Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with the kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your domestic helper because I'm a trustworthy person and I do my best to be a responsible domestic help in your family.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss
Thank
Desiree.
you.
Thank you.